Hello, welcome to another video. Today I am just going to have a quick look over the Jag. This is only going to be a short video. I have some issues that need resolving. Now, for years, pretty much since I've had the car to be honest, occasionally if you go into second gear, if you accelerate too hard, as the gearbox changes from first to second, it goes with a bang, feels like you're being rear-ended. And sometimes if you do it really badly, you get a gearbox fault and it will stick in second gear. Not good. So if I start her up and I'll put her into neutral. The other problem I've been having, which has only just started, is you sit at the lights in neutral with the parking brake on, and all of a sudden the lights change green, into drive, pull away. It's going to work fine now, but what it has been doing is going sort of, it feels like it attempts to pull away. You do feel a little take up of drive and then it goes back into neutral. And had a brief look on the ramp the other day and noticed that one of my gearbox pipes, cooler pipes, was damp, so I've wiped it all off. We're going to get up in the air quickly now and just see if that's still leaking. Now the car is due for a gearbox oil and filter change anyway. The gear shift problem, the first problem I told you about, that is down to the solenoids in the gearbox. Fairly common fault on these and on BMWs. So we'll be doing that anyway. I was just hoping not to double the parts cost with these gearbox pipes, but I suppose it's better to do it while we're there and one lot of gearbox oil that way, because that ain't cheap. So here's my gearbox and the pipes run along here. You can see they're all dry along there. Then they start to get a bit, look like they've been moist in the past. You can see where I've cleaned it here, and if you look up there, with the lights in place so there's not much glare, hopefully you can see that that is leaking. So I need gearbox pipes as well. That's frustrating. But so we did suspect that we're going to need that anyway. So that will be coming up in a future video. The pipes are readily available from Jaguar. They're about £300. The solenoids, you can get them on eBay for about £100. Or you can get them from Jaguar for about £350, or there is some online sources are about £200. But they do say they're genuine, so I'll probably go that route. The oil filter, gearbox oil filter, I've still got in the boot. I've got a spare one in the boot. That's a genuine Jaguar one. The oil, don't skimp on the oil, because apparently you can have gearbox problems if you skimp on the quality of the oil, so I'll probably be getting that from Jaguar. And the pipes, yeah, the pipes are Jaguar, so it's going to cost me about another £600 on a car that I've just spent £400 doing the throttle body. Although that was 1,000 miles ago, this car is costing me so much money. But I do like it. I do enjoy driving it. I'm not going to work out what it costs in repairs per mile, because I probably won't like it anymore. But yeah, subscribe if you want to see that in the future, in the not too distant future. I'll see you next time.